Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to make a chatbot in Discord using aui.js. At first you should go to Grok website and get your API keys. Then put it in the variables file. I put source code link in description. If you have any problem or questions, you can ask me in comments or send me DM in Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's try the bot. Thanks for watching.